2, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a great video. We're gonna go check out daily driven exotics. Supposedly they're moving out of California and they might be coming up to Washington. So we're gonna go on a little private drive with them. We just topped off the LOTUS EXIGE with some gas today. We're gonna be driving the LOTUS EXIGE. I'm excited. I haven't taken this car out for a while. I gotta tighten this for you guys. It'll be fun. We're gonna go check out their cars and go on this private drive. I decided to bring the EXIGE instead of the EVORA. I thought it's just a little bit more unique, I guess. So let's see how they like it. Let's get in the car and let's go for a drive. He has billionaire doors. We all have millionaire doors. These are billionaire doors.
Yeah, no kidding. This interior is beautiful.
Isn't it nice?
Want to come sit in it?
I've sat in one, but I'll sit in it. Yeah. It's so nice. There's just something about white always sticks out.
Yeah, cause yeah.
Ooh. Okay, so in Seattle they got this place called Dick's. It's a burger joint, but they got some cars rolling up here. The DDE is not here. DDE is not here yet, but there's some great cars. My favorite is that there's another little ELISE here, and it's yellow, so we'll get that on film. But I think the EXIGE was the right. Okay, here's the EXIGE or ELISE that we have, and so we parked the EXIGE next to it. So we'll get out and check out these two. But look how sick this is. I love it. What a great color. Awesome color. So awesome. So Race Exotics showed up and he brought Dave. Pretty cool. They're in a driver's meeting now. Let's go say hello. Okay, there's Dave. He's got his vlog camera out. We're gonna go for a drive. And then we got, this is Scott. He's the organizer of it. He's the best. But I love the purple ELISE. Makes me so happy. This is so cool. How fun is this? It's so cold that they had to get their Starbucks. It's literally like the coldest day in Washington right now. It is just absolutely freezing. And then I think his name's John, has his bazooka over here. He literally has a bazooka and he straps it to the front of the Huracan. If that's not the most funny thing ever, I don't know what is. Now that is nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're leaving Dick's and we're gonna head out here and we're gonna go to a car museum in Seattle, which is a good time. Okay, we got the Race Exotics van here. They're hanging out the back, getting all the photos. How fun is that? That's so good. We've left Dick's Burgers and we're headed over to this place. It's a car museum. We're gonna check it out, see some other cars. It is cool that the daily driven exotics are here and it brings out the best of the car community. It's so cool that they swing by. I don't know if they've been over to Florida. I'm sure they have. I need to watch some of their videos of them in Florida. Okay, we're gonna head out. There we go. I'm excited. So we just came to the LeMay Car Museum. Everyone's gonna start their engines. And then we're gonna head over to this place called The Shop. It's pretty cool. It's in Seattle. That being said, we're gonna hit it over there. Everyone's gonna drive safe, no accidents. We're gonna take it easy. And we're gonna hit some high RPMs. So let's try to get up to that 8,500 RPMs. Let's go send it. Okay, the R8 and the 720 just did a run for it. The 720 got him big time. Made it to the shop here, got the EXIGE. Good drive, it was really good. That pink 911 is nuts. That is the dream car. That is the coolest car ever. You gotta see his hat. I'm gonna go and bring you guys over to the hat. It's amazing. His license tabs are from 2023. That's awesome. I love this yellow. I am not a yellow car guy, but oh my god, that looks so good every time. We've been on a couple rallies with him. And then never forget his bazooka. That is so good. By far the best car here. It's so good.
Yes.
I love it.
I love the hat.
It's Batman. Blast the wheel of Batman. I like it.
I'm trying so hard.
It's I know. We're just always in the way.
Isn't it?
Yeah. Oh man, there's just something about this. The red and black is amazing. It's a good turnout. They really collect a lot of people. I like that Thatch is here. How cool is that? But man, it is a good turnout. It is January in Washington. This is one of the reasons I don't want to live in Washington anymore. It's so cold. But this shop down here, I remember like 10 years ago when they first made it, and it's still got it going on. It's still good.
Damn, them shoes are white.
Clean, huh? I just came from
clean.
Florida. So I'm trying to get out of Seattle. All my shoes get dirty. That's the truth. Fresh.
All black fit, white shoes.
I know. Okay, I think we're gonna be wrapping it up here. It was cold. I love Eddie Park this year. How great is that? That is so fun.
I'm just gonna call John.
It is awesome. And then he keeps on taking the roof off. One of the things that I like so much about it is because he puts his cloth top in the back. You remember I had my cloth top and I sold it. And I think I sold it for like, I don't know, like $800. And now they're going for like $1,500. So I definitely need another cloth top. So you can just put it in the back. You have the on and off. The EXIGE, you can actually do that as well too. You think you're amazing and so cool, and then this guy shows up. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
My wife's ass, and I'm like, I didn't need any of it.
Here's my daughter doing donuts in my Daytona.
I did this on the plane.
She's 11.
I still do it to this day.
This is a good advice. Listen to this.
Here's a great example. I text myself.
Yeah.
I'm on the plane.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Would you think that after 14 years, I still watch videos of what the YouTube playbook is in 37 minutes?
What's that?
You working on cars now?
Never stop learning.
Yeah, so
Learning things.
Are you the biggest YouTuber in Washington State?
See you later.
I don't care if it's worth it. I need your skills behind the camera while I do my skills behind the camera.
You're my favorite driver to work with.
Hey, maybe you film it and our editors edit it.
See you guys. Okay, back in the garage, new day. We're gonna wrap up the video. Great video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. It's cool to see all those cars. Favorite car is probably the pink Porsche. Hilarious. And that guy had the funny Russian fuzzy hat. That guy was awesome. Obviously, the Aventadors, the V12s always grab some good attention. That being said, the little Lotus EXIGE did a great job. Everything's fine on it. It's perfect. Runs good. Everything's good. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna end this video, but come back. I don't know, a couple days for you guys because I'm gonna upload. We're gonna go look at my 2006 Lotus ELISE turboed with 300 horsepower. It's pretty good. It's a lighter car than this and like an extra 100 horsepower than this. So it'll be a ripper. I rebuilt that car and then sold it non-running in the year 2020. So like 6 years ago. So we're gonna go check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, seeing Daily Driven and Exotics. They were a really good time. they're the kind of YouTubers that you should follow because they are who they are. They're just, you know, they're kind of like James, the Stradman. They're awesome. They're just good people, entertaining, they're really nice. And don't be shy. If you want to take a photo with them, they'll take a photo with you. Again, make sure to like, subscribe, swingbymitch.com. Hope you guys enjoyed that cruise. We'll have some more of those on the channel coming soon. And we'll probably have some from Florida too. So I'm going to see what car, I might bring this ELISE down to Florida. That's my game plan. Like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video.